So guys, welcome to this POV of this amazing Audi RS3 Sedan. So let's just get the car started. So this is a pretty fast car. So this is the 2022 Audi RS3 Sedan, and it has 400 horsepower. And it has launch control, as we will demonstrate. So the car is in dynamic. We put it into performance. The traction control is off. It's all in sport. So left foot on the brake, right on the throttle, release, and then we initiate launch control. So guys, enjoy. Wow, so that is actually really fast. So this RS3 has the 5-cylinder engine. So this is a 2.5 liter TFSI. So it's turbocharged and it has 400 horsepower and around 400 Newton meters of torque. So combined with the 7-speed DSG or S-tronic transmission in this car, it does the 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds. We clocked it with the GPS tracker in around 4. So yeah, this car is just insane. The exterior color is really nice. So we have the RS green color with the black optics and some carbon packs as well. So that is really nice. We have a carbon diffuser or a black diffuser, a carbon spoiler, and the mirrors are carbon as well. And of course we have the flappy pedal gearbox. And here we have the virtual display with the Audi MMI infotainment system. So this is the MMI Plus system. And yeah, this car is really a beast. And of course we also have a panoramic sunroof. But listen to the sound of this car. So here we have a sort of bridge. So listen to the sound. So it's actually really quick. It is really quick. So let's keep some distance between the car driving in front of us, because then we can use the full acceleration power of this car. So we're in second gear right now, performance. It is insanely fast. So there we actually have another green car. He's doing the thumbs up, as you guys also should do for this video. Yeah. So as you can see now, we are driving into some pretty heavy traffic. So let's just put it into comfort right now and just check out the comfort of this car. Because as we know, Audi Drive Select is pretty good at giving you a more sportier car. So stiffening up the suspension and the throttle response. So this is actually pretty cool about this car, because it is really comfortable if you want it to be. But once you press the RS button here on the steering wheel, or use the Audi Drive Select mode, it turns into a whole different beast. So then the throttle response is a lot sportier, is more direct, the steering is more direct. We have the exhaust, which is actually a lot louder than when you use it in comfort. It's a totally different car. And of course the suspension, it all stiffens up. So guys, traffic is actually opening up right now, so we're going to press the RS button. Right now it's in RS Performance, and let's just unleash the beast. It has so much power. Hello French person, what are you going to do? Just people driving in the middle of the road for no reason. So it is really planted to the road because of the extremely wide tires that they use in this car. And oh my god, the acceleration! So this was actually pretty nice. We had some pretty heavy traffic. Right now we had some space to play with this all new Audi RS3. So guys, we actually like this car a lot. The one thing that we should do if we have one of these cars in the future is put some new exhausts on it, because I mean it sounds good, but it has so much more to give in terms of the exhaust. So a lot of Audi RS3s have an exhaust system, an aftermarket exhaust system, and they sound so good. So guys, I think that's it for now. Gonna put it into S again. There we have a nice GTI. Everybody is looking to this car. It's amazing how much attention this thing gets. It might be due to the color, it might be due to the sound, or to the shape of the car. It's an extremely aggressive car to see. Yeah, it's great. So right now we have a roundabout where we can also test out the handling. Oh wow, it really grips, it really grips. And just people casually taking way in front of you. Why not? So guys, we are going to return this beast to the Audi dealer, to Audi Wittebrug. As you can see here, Audi Sport, it's over there. So we would like to thank you guys for watching to the end of this amazing POV of this car. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have any recommendations in terms of cars to shoot, or in terms of the videos that we make, then please let us know in the comments. There we have a very, very nice showroom. And yeah, that's it for now. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!